chest opener stretch with a 20-30 second hold. How to do it. 1. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your shoulders relaxed and spine straight. 2. Hand placement. Clasp your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers or hold your wrists. If clasping is difficult, you can hold a towel or strap. 3. Stretch movement. Straighten your arms gently and pull them slightly away from your back. At the same time, lift your chest upward and gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep your chin neutral. Don't let the head fall back. 4. Hold. Maintain this position for 20 to 30 seconds. You should feel the stretch across your chest and the front of your shoulders. 5. Release. Slowly bring your arms back to the starting position. Repeat 2 to 3 times if needed. Keep your abs engaged to avoid arching your lower back too much. If standing is uncomfortable, you can do the same stretch seated. For a deeper stretch, hinge slightly forward at the hips while keeping your arms lifted behind. Thanks for watching.